Don't make these critical mistakes unless you want to lose money in the markets. Today, we're diving into the top 7 trading pitfalls that beginners often encounter. Understanding these common errors is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in trading and investing. Avoid them, and you'll be well on your way to building a more robust financial future. Our first mistake, FOMO, or fear of missing out. This is a powerful emotional trap. It drives traders to jump into assets that are rapidly rising, fearing they'll miss potential gains. You see a stock or crypto soaring, and without proper research, you dive in. This often leads to buying at the peak, just before a correction or crash. Next, we have buying high. This mistake is closely related to FOMO. It's when you enter a trade after a significant price increase, believing it will continue its upward trend indefinitely. However, markets often correct after rapid gains, leaving late buyers with losses. Imagine buying a stock at its all-time high, only for it to plummet shortly after. Our third common error, selling too early. This happens when fear or impatience takes over. You exit a profitable trade with a small gain, only to watch it continue to rise significantly. This often stems from a lack of conviction or a predefined exit strategy. You secure a small profit, but miss out on much larger potential returns. Mistake number 4 is emotional trading, letting fear, greed, or hope dictate your decisions. This can lead to irrational choices, like holding onto a losing trade out of hope, or selling a winning trade too soon due to fear of losing profits. Successful trading requires discipline and a clear, unemotional strategy. Mistake 5. Go in all in or a lack of diversification. This is when you put all your capital into a single asset or a very few assets. While it can lead to massive gains, it also exposes you to catastrophic losses. Diversification spreads risk, protecting your portfolio from single asset failures. Mistake number 6. Lack of research or trading without a plan. Many beginners trade based on tips, hype, or without understanding the underlying asset. A solid trading plan, backed by thorough research, is your roadmap to success. Without it, you're essentially gambling, not investing. Finally, mistake number 7. Over-leveraging. This involves using too much borrowed money. While leverage can amplify gains, it equally amplifies losses, often leading to margin calls. A small market movement against you can wipe out your entire capital. Always manage your risk and use leverage cautiously, if at all. So, to recap, we've covered 7 crucial mistakes, from FOMO and buying high to emotional trading and over-leveraging. Remember, discipline, thorough research, and robust risk management are your best allies. These principles will guide you through the volatile world of trading. Don't let common pitfalls derail your financial journey. Instead, learn from them and build a resilient trading strategy. What are your biggest trading lessons or mistakes you've learned from? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and trade wisely.